Heyo, this is Bloxboy, and I have made a grand return! Okay, let's be a little serious here when talking about this. For the past 9 months at this point, I've been working on one single Roblox video that was originally meant to be quite a small project. However, it turned out to be one of the biggest projects ever, and the most difficult projects I ever done. A deep storyline with funny stuff, plots, dark, emotional, and a beautiful message around one genre, all about Roblox Simulator. And oh boy, was it nuts.